In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background on WhatsApp. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe and let's get right into it. So first of all, what I'm going to do is open up my WhatsApp app, and then once you've done that, as you can see, this is the screen you will be on, and from here what you can do is click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then once you click on the three dots from the drop down menu here, what you'll need to click on is the settings tab. And then once you click on settings, what you need to click on then is chats. So second down from the top, you can see an option there for chats. Go ahead, click on that, and then from here, you will be able to change the wallpaper background of your WhatsApp. So if you click on wallpaper and click on change, as you can see, you can click on any of these categories here and you can choose a new wallpaper. So there's a few here that you can use from WhatsApp, or you can use a photo that is on your mobile phone in your storage. But that's how you go ahead and change the background on WhatsApp. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.